silence, unleash our scream. With bonds unbroken, we'll stand the test. In this quest for truth, we'll give our best. Through the valleys where shadows creep, in the bonds we forge, our secrets keep. With every challenge that fate bestows, we'll rise together like petals that bloom. Together we'll run toward the unknown. With the fire in our hearts, we've grown. In this dance of light, we won't lose sight. With courage as our guide, we'll take flight. Our spirits soar in this eternal journey forevermore. Together we'll run toward the